Do you have an old garland that has seen better days? Maybe like this one? My father bought this for my grandmother. Oh, I'd say about 25, 30 years ago. And I've hung it every year after I have revamped it a little bit, fluffed the ribbons out, made it gorgeous. But this year, I'm tired of it. The colors are outdated, it looks all sloppy, and it's hard to make it look pretty again. The ribbon have seen better days. The little doodads really are out of date. As you can tell, they're that purpley color. It was gorgeous in its heyday. But instead of throwing it out, because the base garland is fantastic, it's still workable. So instead of throwing it out, let's take the pieces that we like and that are still good and can still be used, and let's turn it into this. No reason to throw things away. And now it matches all of my decor in my dining room. And it also matches my centerpiece. Very simple project. It might take you a few minutes, but going from this to this is as easy as grabbing some ornaments or some doodads from your favorite craft store. So to do this, I have used this gorgeous ribbon. I have also used this ribbon, which I have recycled, as you can see, from the old garland. So there are my two ribbons. I also have this gold that is just absolutely gorgeous and makes the other ribbon pop. I also have purchased some of these little doodads from Hobby Lobby, or picks if you want to call them. My first one is this one. It's just fun. I love it. My next, of course, are these sparkly poinsettias. I absolutely adore these sparkly poinsettias. So there's that. I also have this one, which I adore as well. And then this one. And then this one. This one I think happens to be my favorite. It's kind of weird to use, but I love it. So there's that one. So that's what we've used to revamp our garland. So we're going to turn this into this. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you all have a very, very Merry Christmas. God bless each and every one of you. Today it was made by Mary Ann. Tomorrow it might be made by you.